Hello, it's Kit Alowitz representing the Preeminent Customer Experience team today. A short update on our collective efforts to up our customer experience by you, by me, by us. We've just completed 10 weeks of solid performance by most of our managers looking, observing, and recognizing preeminent customer experience behavior by employees, by reps, and others, and then recognizing them with one of these bad boys, a preeminent customer experience button. Check out that. In the space of just 10 weeks, we have successfully awarded some 300 plus PCX buttons. This is cool. It's cool because it recognizes the behaviors of create value, take ownership, be courteous, be accurate, and timely in our culture. It's cool because it's beginning to set a pattern that we as an organization live and expect our common purpose and quality standards to guide our actions and behaviors. Now my question to you is, have you taken the time to commit to memory our common purpose, create value, as well as our 4 quality standards for superior customer experiences, that being ownership, courtesy, accuracy, and timely. Join our cause to create a sustainable, scalable, repeatable, reliable, world-class customer experience for our customers. We really won't get there without you joining our cause and upping your own customer experience game. It's a key lever in the box of levers we must pull to reach our targets, market share, and this idea of preeminence. And so now we shift gears for the next 16 weeks as a collective body of Henderson Hauser employees and reps who are also engaged in the PCX initiative. Your managers have received a fresh pile of PCX huddle guides to navigate you and I through the next 16 weeks about the customer experience. Consider, if you will, embracing more huddles as we speak together in our intact work groups as to what it is and how we can exuberate and display and behave and live and be our common purpose and quality standards for our customers. Over the next 16 weeks, you and I in our intact work teams will tackle topics like Todd Lucy's perspective on the PCX initiative. How do you literally stack up against our quality standards and common purpose? Don't take the sloppy approach marshmallow to PCX. How big of an impact can you personally make on our preeminent customer experience initiative? Customer loyalty versus customer satisfaction, the intentional nature of the order of the quality standards, how our customers sit at the end of the preeminent customer experience or sloppy PCX behavior train, balancing owning versus doing, service recovery versus service prevention, and finally, deeper cuts for you about your proactivity, diligence, empathy, respectfulness, problem-solving, attentiveness, responsiveness, and focus. Getting to a spot where we as a collective organization display a repeatable, reliable, world-class, preeminent customer experience takes an individual effort, your effort and my effort. We therefore hope that you will enjoy, maybe laugh a little, maybe even recognize a little bit of cheese in some of our videos, as well as recognize in some of the videos the serious nature of your required behavior needed to step up and play the PCX game. And we hope that it gives you cause to think, challenge yourself and your colleagues over the next 16 weeks as we, the people of Henderson Hauser, take our future with an eye pointed right at we create value every single time without exception for our customers. Whether we're talking internal customers and or external customers, we take care of our customers by creating value. I'm Kit Alowitz, and we'll see you next time.